Here, you see the... Γαλακτοκούρεκο είναι.
Is there this magic?
Salad. The dandelions, right?
Yeah.
Bitter?
No,
Hey guys, it's Christina. So I am here in Athens, Greece, and today I'm actually going to be meeting with another girl named Christina, and she's like a culinarian, kind of like a tour guide in the area, and she's gonna take me to the market. We're gonna pick up some goodies, and then afterwards we're gonna go back to her house, and she's gonna teach me how to make homemade phyllo dough. And anybody that's worked with that before knows that like phyllo is super thin, and you really never make it yourself, right? You usually, you go to the store and you buy it, and I think we're gonna be making like different Greek pies and different Greek goodies with it, so I can't wait to show you guys my day.
because it's not the first necessity when you visit a place.
Okay guys, so I'm with Christina, my host right now. Let me know what you're gonna be doing with us today.
So today we will have a tour at the market here in Athens, buy a few ingredients. Most of the stores are traditional and they have good products. Okay. And afterwards we will come back to cook together a pie. Especially the dough is very important, it's called phyllo. Yep. And then we will have a lunch together with some traditional dishes, Greek.
Awesome.
Have fun.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Hot and thick and easy. Yeah.
There's a long salad. The dandelions, right?
Yeah.
Bitter?
Βάλτε μου 3 ολικές.
3 ολικές. Καλό.
Also the sweet you see. Μπακλαβά, γαλακτοκούρεκο είναι. This is carrots. And also an instant.
Yeah, so we just ended up trying a bunch of different types of like feta cheeses, white cheeses, and then they let us try some of the halva as well, which I didn't know that there were so many different kinds. Like it doesn't need to be made from sesame seeds. There was one made from like carob and carob honey, which was really good because usually like halva for me is a little bit sweet. So it's a really nice local shop.
Ζεστ, αλλά βάζεις και ζάχαρη, τι βάζεις?
Ναι, είναι λίγο...
Okay, so now we have the pie, and we're going to use all of those ingredients that we just bought from the market and prepare, the spinach and the onions and everything. And then afterwards, we're going to go on to the phyllo dough and then just put everything together.
Rolling pin, we add the corn flour in order not to stick in the rolling pin, and it won't change the flavor because if we add more of the flour, it will become harder, and we don't want that. So this helps and it doesn't change anything. The one rolling pin, a little bit thicker. If you have a bigger one, it's better. And try to flatten it, round shape. Because before it was sticky a little bit at this one, at the rolling pin, I will add again corn flour. We take one side and fold it as firmly as we can. And then do this movement with our fingers. And back. And again. See, it looks nice. And even if you have a hole here, it doesn't matter because we add more layers, so it will be covered. Now you see I have one here. The important thing is when you do this movement, to move your hands and not do this thing, because you will tear apart the dough if you do this thing.
Okay.
You just move
Okay.
like that.
It looks sticky, but it doesn't actually. Oh, yes.
It is now, so it is, and we have to add the corn flour.
Okay, so now we have the pie and it's in the oven, and Christina said that actually sometimes it'll you want it to brown up top first, but then you don't want it to burn. So after it gets brown, just put a piece of foil over it, and then it should be done right around an hour or so. So we're gonna have some soup that she made before and just some lunch, and then we're gonna wait for that pie. You're gonna have a lot of pie left. I mean, for your friends too, but
I will give you to take with you if you want, of course.
I always think I'm going to save something for tomorrow, and then I get hungry,
You never
like
do.
when I'm watching TV or something. Okay guys, so I just finished making and eating that pie over at Christina's, and it was such a cool experience. We went to, different stores for the different ingredients. So, obviously at the different stores I was able to learn about feta, I was able to learn about the oregano and the different spices, and everything was absolutely amazing, and I am so stuffed because she made us lunch and everything as well. So I probably have to just walk this off a little bit, and I hope that you guys enjoyed what you watched, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.